What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to add text in Clipchamp. So the first thing that you need to do is to add your video to the timeline. Then to add text you have two methods. The first one is by going to the timeline, and as you can see here we have the option to add text. So let's click on it, and as you can see now we are redirected to the text tab. Also you can use directly the text tab in the left. So if you click on it, you're going to the text tab. Then you have to select the text type. You can choose from plain text. Also you can choose text styles and so on and so forth, even titles. So for this tutorial, let's use a plain text. So to add it to the timeline, all you have to do is to click on it, then you're going to drag it to the timeline. As simple as this. Then to change the font, all you have to do is to select it. Then you're going to go to text in the right tab. And now, as you can see, we can change the font. So let's change it. Then you can choose if you want to use normal text or bold text. Also, you can change the size of it. If you want to make it italic or bold from here, then the position of the text, also the color, and if you go to advanced, you can change the line height and also the letter spacing. And you can add outline and shadow to it. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.